Estes makes these cool little cutting guides, but what do you do when the cutting guide doesn't lock onto the tube so you can make your cut? That's what I'm going to cover in this video. These tube cutting guides from Estes are pretty nifty, and we use them a lot here at Apogee when we're designing our own rockets. The way they work is they give you a nice edge that you can cut a nice straight line, and what you do is it's two parts and you put it on the tube and then you squeeze them together and then it locks it in place so it can't move. But sometimes they can be loose on the tube like this. So how do you use them at that point? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Say you want to make your cut on this tube and you want to make it cut like right there. Normally you'd put it on the tube, lock it in place, and then take your knife and start cutting around. But if this is moving around, it's really hard to make a nice straight cut. So the way that we're going to fix this problem, we're just going to take some masking tape and we're going to put it onto the tube. I got a marker on me. We're going to put it like right somewhere fairly close. And then we're going to put these on, and this should be a little bit tighter. And it is. And then you can squeeze down, and then it locks it in place. And then you can kind of get it to where you want, and make sure that you squeeze it nice and tight. I need to move my tape a little bit closer to my line. So that I can... Okay, so just like that. And then you can take your knife, and then you want to keep the knife blade right tight up against the edge of the plastic piece. And you want to go around a couple of times. You don't need to cut through on the first pass. You'll get a nice straighter edge. Just about there. There we go. Just like that. And then you can remove this. Remove your tape. And you have a nice straight edge. So, and if it's not straight, a little bit of sanding on the edge will take care of it. So that's how to use these cutting guides when they don't lock onto the tube as nicely as you want. So my name is Tim Van Milligan. This is the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.